Right, do it again. Dirty, that's dirty, that's dirty. Do it again. Hit everything in the left field. Now hold on. What I want you to do is we call it slow swing. He's gonna throw the ball to you. I want you to swing it through slow. I want you to hit the ball, but you're gonna swing the bat slow. All right? What's up, youngin? Yeah. Do it again. So have we decided to go?
We have. We're very
Slower than that. All right, so you have Connecticut. Do it again. All right, now swing it through. You got to get that foot down. You have to get the foot down quicker. Head down. Hips, bring them through. Better. Balls.